let's unbox the little. It's not easy when you have a very long nail. Ow. What? The electric fan. We will use this one when we're going to Italy. Wow! And you can stand. Wow! Oh, I love it. For only 89 kroner, where I bought in Europris. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.